Hey friends, is the silicone around your sink covered in black mold? Looks gross, don't worry. Today I'll show you how to remove and reapply new silicone sealant by yourself. Let's get started. Tools and materials you'll need: silicone sealant, caulking gun, putty knife, rag, masking tape, and gloves. Important: choose a waterproof, mold-resistant silicone. Not sure which one to use? Contact Wadu, our engineers can help you pick the right type. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Remove the old sealant. Use a putty knife to scrape away the old, moldy silicone. Don't scratch the surface. Step 2. Clean the area. Wipe everything clean and dry. No moisture, no dust. Any dampness will bring the mold right back. Step 3. Mask the edges. Apply masking tape along both sides of the joint to keep your line neat and make cleanup easier. Step 4. Prepare your sealant. Cut the tube tip at an angle, attach the nozzle, and load it into the caulking gun. Tip: test it on cardboard first to check the flow. Step 5. Apply the silicone. Hold the gun at a 45 angle and squeeze smoothly along the joint. Keep your pace steady. Step 6. Smooth it out. Use a tool or your gloved finger to smooth the bead, then peel off the tape right away. Curing and pro tips: let it dry. Silicone takes about 24 to 48 hours to fully cure. Keep the area dry and clean during this time. See? Super easy, and your sink looks brand new. If there's leftover silicone, seal the tube tip tightly and store it as directed. Got serious or recurring mold? Call in a pro. If this tutorial helped you, give it a like, save, and share with friends who might need it. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you next time.